This video will be your guide on how to get Apple Music on Firestick. A full guide on how to get Apple Music on Firestick. First and foremost, you should prepare your Firestick. Make sure your Amazon Firestick is plugged into your TV and powered on. Ensure that your Firestick is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi. Next up is to download the Apple Music app. Go to your home screen of your Firestick. Go to the search bar, type in Apple Music, and select it from the search result. Click on the Apple Music app, then appears in the results. Click Get or download to install the app on your Firestick. Next is to open Apple Music. Once it is installed, go back to the home screen and open the Apple Music from your app section. If it doesn't appear right away, go to your apps and channels and scroll to find Apple Music. Once the app is in, then you will be prompted to sign in. Enter your Apple ID and password associated with your Apple Music subscription. If you don't have an Apple Music subscription yet, then you can sign up directly in the app by following the on-screen instructions. Next is you should be able to start listening. Once logged in, you'll have access to all your music, playlists, albums, and stations. And that is all on how to get Apple Music on Firestick. Thank you for watching.